Software engineering, one of the most powerful careers in 21st century. But as artificial intelligence, cloud computing and automation rise rapidly, one question worries many students and professionals. Will software engineers will still be in demand in next 5 years? In this video, we will explore the real future of software engineering, how the role is evolving, what technologies will dominate, which skills will be most valuable. Okay, so and how you can prepare for the upcoming digital revolution. Whether you are in a B.Tech student, a fresher or an IT professional, in this video we will open your eyes to the truth behind the next era of software development. Okay, so in next 7 minutes or 8 minutes you should watch this video till end. At first, the main sections. First, the present state of software engineers 2025. Software engineering today is not just about writing code. It's about solving problems at scale. From mobile apps to cloud systems and from AI models to cyber security, everything industry needs software engineers. But things are changing fast. AI tools like GitHub, Copilot, ChatGPT, and Replit are now writing code. Automation is reducing repetitive tasks. Yet the demand for smart engineers who understand logic, design, and innovation is higher than ever. Okay? So, the rise of AI driven development. In the next 5 years, AI will transform how we build software. At first, AI will write code faster than humans. Testing and debugging will be automated. Software design will become intelligent and self optimizing. Okay? But you can say here is a key point: AI won't replace engineers who think creatively. Instead, it will empower them to do more. More work, more load, more thinking, more capability, more discipline. So, future software engineers will work like AI supervisor, designing, guiding, and improving AI generated code. So, we have more learning opportunity and more helpful environment. We don't need to depend upon any teachers or any friends circles or any office colleagues, boss, etc. Just we can use ChatGPT or AI tools and we can easily get our solution in seconds in our hand. Okay, so number 3, new section, new technologies shaping the future. Between 2025 and 2030, we will see 5 major forces shaping the software engineering: artificial intelligence and machine learning, software that learns and adapts, quantum computing, exponential speed in solving complex problems, Web 3.0 and blockchain, decentralized apps and secure digital identities, edge computing and IoT, software running close to data sources, cyber security and ethical AI, protecting the users and data. So, engineers who master even 2 of these domains will be in huge demand worldwide. So, you should be or you should upskill yourself. Now, number 4 section, career opportunities and salaries. In India, by 2030, it is expected that over 1.5 crore jobs will require advanced software skills: AI, cloud, data science, blockchain, and cyber security. Global companies are shifting from coding jobs to solution engineering. Startups are building AI first products, and yes, remote work, freelancing, and global collaboration are now permanent trends. So whether you work on Google, Infosys, or a 3-person startup, the value you bring matters more than the location you work from. So Number 5 section, skills you must learn, the future roadmap. To survive and grow in this future, learn these 5 skills. At first, programming mastery. Programming here means Python, Java or C++. Cloud platforms like the Amazon Web Service, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, AI and ML basics, cyber security fundamentals, communication and problem solving skills. And in bonus, learn DevOps, system design, database, Git, build tool, Prometheus, Grafana, fast API, API monitoring tools. They will never go out of trend, okay? So at this point of time, every student must be in a fear condition. So how college and students should prepare? College and students. For students in B.Tech, BCA, MCA, stop learning outdated theory only. Start building real world project. Contribute to open source and intern early. Make your GitHub profile your new resume. And remember, the future does not belong to people who code perfectly. It belongs to those who innovate fearlessly and learn in the critical thing and the critical situation. And you should use AI to get benefited and to include in the projects, so that in the recruiter he will be fascinated by seeing your project. Okay, so at last, what is the future of software engineering? It is brighter than ever, but different. The world does not need coders who follow instruction. It needs creator, problem solver and thinker. If you stay curious, keep learning and adapt to new tools, you will not just survive this tech revolution, you will lead it. So thank you for watching, and like, share and subscribe in this video. And remember, the best software engineer is not one who knows all languages, but the one who never stops learning.